Hi guys, it's LeJanaro. Welcome back to my channel. And I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Today I want to tell you about my adventures this past weekend. I actually did not plan on leaving the house this weekend because anytime you leave the house, I think when you step outside costs $50 to $100 as soon as you step out. So I actually didn't plan on going anywhere this weekend, but my friend, she works for Fleet Feet in Augusta, and she wanted me to go get a foot ID because I was saying I needed some actual walking shoes because I've been walking in old tennis shoes, and of course, over time that starts to take a toll on your feet, your back, and all of that. So I need some good walking shoes, and apparently they sell those because the prices. Anyway, she wanted me to go there and get a foot ID and then send it to her because I didn't know what size shoe I wear. I don't know what size shoe I wear. Well, I didn't. I know now because I got it done. But I was in a 7.5, but now I am an 8.5. So went there. They did the foot ID. They let you know about your arches. They let you know how much pressure you put down when you're walking. All that good stuff. It's pretty good. So if you have a Fleet Feet somewhere, check them out and get to know your feet. Anyway, they let me try on 3 pair of shoes, and she wanted me to send her the shoes that fit the best, that I like the best and everything. And I learned that I need a higher arch in my right foot. So I learned something new about myself. But anyway, while I was out, I decided to go to Fabric World because I haven't been to Fabric World in a while. I've been going to Fine Fabrics, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, but I haven't been to Fabric World in a while. And I have a video on Fabric World explaining Fabric World and all of that. I'm not sure if they have a website. If they do, I'll link it, but I think like Fine Fabrics, they don't send out fabric. Just judging by what you have to do to find fabric when you go in there. So when you walk in, there are tables and fabric is just piled up on the tables. So you have to be patient when you are going in there. They do have bolts of fabric along the one side of the wall. So they do have bolts of fabric. They sell interfacing. They also sell long rolls of upholstery fabric. So, and they have different sales. So this time the fabric piled up on the table was $2 a piece. And if you bought 5 pieces, you got 1 free. So that was pretty good because I did find some good pieces for $2. The upholstery rolls were $10. And I believe also it was either if you buy 4, you get 1 free, or if you buy 5, you get 1 free. I can't remember. I didn't buy any upholstery rolls. It was one in particular that I liked that I got there a while ago, but they didn't have any more. So if they had had that, I would have got the roll of it, but they didn't have it. But I didn't really find any upholstery fabrics that caught my eye, so I didn't get any. Yeah. And I'm trying to think of what else they had. The fabric on the bolt was $2.99 a yard. I didn't get any bolt fabric. I would have got some denim had they had some denim, but I didn't see any. And they had trim for $1. And I'll show you, I got some of that because it's big rolls of trim, and they were $1. So let me show you what I got. First thing, I got my mom some batting because my mom sews quilts. So I got this big old thing of batting for her. It was $3 a yard, so I got her some of that. I should have opened these bags before I started talking. All right. And majority of the fabric is bag making purposes. I think I did get one fabric that I could use for like a shirt or something because I think it was only like maybe a yard of it. So, but anyway, this is some upholstery fabric. It's houndstooth. All right, so I got some of that. This would make a really good slouchy hobo bag. I do have a hobo bag tutorial on the channel, so I'll link that in the description box below. But I think that would be really cute for that. Not really a lining because this is way too thick. Like I said, it's an upholstery fabric, so it would also be a good clutch or a tote bag. I like houndstooth. I think houndstooth is super cute. I found some, oh gosh, I talked about it in my last video. I got it from Hobby Lobby. What is this called? Give me a minute. It'll come to me. I can't think of it. But it's for lining. It's not waterproof canvas. Oh my gosh, it is escaping me, the name of this fabric. Hopefully it will come back to me before I finish this video. So I had to go look at the video to figure out what the name of this is. It's nylon fabric. So I'll be using it for lining in bags. All right. Something I don't have to interface, which is good for me. This fabric, I actually got 2 pieces of this. They had 2 separate pieces. This fabric is, it's not a bag making fabric. I can tell you in fine fabrics, this fabric is on the polyester sateen aisle. Don't know if that's what it is. But this is good, really good fabric for pants. It's nice and thick. It's not a knit. It doesn't have any stretch to it. But it feels really, really good. But I wanted to use it for lining for bags, and not gonna make any pants out of it, maybe. Because I got 2 pieces, so I might make some pants. I doubt it though, but I think I'll just be using this for lining. And again, these pieces, they end up being pretty good pieces. I got at least a yard of a lot of the pieces, and some pieces I got more than a yard. So they were some good long pieces. And like I said, I got 2 pieces of this. This is another upholstery type fabric. Again, want to use it for lining because I don't have to interface it. And this is the fabric that I said you can make a shirt or something out of it. It's a knit fabric. And it's really pretty. I think I could probably squeeze a shirt out of it because it's only about a yard. So I think I could only get a shirt or maybe some shorts with an elastic waistband. Maybe. That's a big maybe. But definitely I can get a top out of it. Let's see. Open this fabric up. This fabric and this fabric are both waterproof canvas fabrics, and I was really shocked to find this on the table. This is a brown, and this is like a tannish cream color. Really shocked to find this. But yeah, they had it. It was on the table. So like I said, you can find some really good gems there if you're willing to actually look. They sell a lot of team fabric and fleece. They have some cotton cloth as well in the team fabric, but like I said, mostly you just kind of have to dig through and you can find some really good pieces. But yeah, 2 things of waterproof canvas, and this is a lot. For $2 a piece, I couldn't leave it in there. This is a faux leather. I think this is faux. I'm not sure. How do you tell the difference between real leather and faux leather. I have no idea because I don't work with real leather. So, but I'm assuming that this is faux leather. It may not be. I don't know. But yeah, found this on the table. It was rolled up, so I started to just ignore it, but it was rolled up there. And I said, well, let me see what it is. So I unrolled it, and this is what it is. So this looks like it might be over a yard. But I'm not sure if it's real or faux leather. Whatever it is, it's a good buy. $2. I got this. This is another lining fabric. It is very thick. So it's like a duck canvas. Doesn't need interfacing. That was my goal for going in there, to find fabrics. That I did not have to interface. This I found. I wanted to get some of this from Hobby Lobby, but I just kept putting it off. I was just gonna only get about a yard of it. This has like a suede type texture to it. It's in their home, in Hobby Lobby, it's in their home decor section, but it has like a suede type feel to it. And I've been wanting to get some of this fabric just to try it out in a bag, and they had it on the table. And the last of the fabric is this. This is like a outdoor home decor type fabric that again would be great for a sturdy lining. So yeah, I got all of those fabrics. They were $2 a piece. So I think I got some really good deals. And if you bought 5 pieces, you got 1 free. So bought 10 pieces, got 2 pieces for free. All right, so the rest of the things I got were in the trim section. I got all of this. It was $1 a piece. So I wasn't real sure what to get because I didn't know what I was gonna do with it. So I just grabbed a couple of things. I didn't want to just be in there grabbing stuff, adding to the pile of things I already had. So I got this. This for sure, I know if I make some little drawstring bags, let's say I make something like a keychain or something for someone's birthday or send it to them, I can make little drawstring bags and add this to it as the drawstring. And I'm not sure if it says 288 yards. I'm not sure if any of this has been used or if the yardage is still correct on these. I don't know. This says 72 yards. This says 72 yards. This is trim. I got it in the red. And the cream color. No idea what I'm gonna do with this. So definitely help me out on that. Of course, I was thinking about adding, trim to some bags or something just to kind of do some embellishments on bags. I got this, right? And this just, not real sure. I do want to make some pants. I have a simplicity pattern with this type of trim going down the side. They're like jogger type pants, but there's different views. One of the views has wide leg, and some trim similar to this is going down the side of the leg. So use that for sure. And anything else, I don't know. And then I got these two. They pretty much have the same flower designs on them. They're just different colors. And I definitely want to add this as some embellishments on some clutch bags or tote bags or something like that. And whatever other uses I can find for them. If you use this type of stuff, trim and different things like that, doesn't have to be in bag making. It can be in anything. So just kind of let me know what you use the trim for. All right, so that is it. That is everything from my little excursion to Fabric World. I found a lot of different fabric stores just off in the distance, just Googling fabric stores in Atlanta. And I found some really nice hidden gems. I think another hidden gem that I may go to next is, they call it the fabric joint, but I think it's called something else also. But I think online it's called the fabric joint. They're similar to fine fabrics. They have the fabrics on the roll, but theirs is a little cheaper than fine fabrics. They do have a lot of upholstery fabric. But in there, I don't know. One is far from my house. It's far. Like 45 minutes is far. If I can't get to it in my little circle that I go into, it's considered far for me. But I may go there because you can find good knit fabrics, you can find denim, sequins, anything that you're looking for, you can find there as well. They are slightly cheaper than fine fabrics. I found some fabric, I think, for 99 cents a yard in there. But when I decide to go, I'll take you guys along with me. I'll film while I'm in there. If I'm allowed, I'm gonna get their permission. I think you can film the fabric, but I'll ask first. So if I can, I'll film while I'm in there so you can see what all they have. And again, not sure if they have a website where they send out fabric. Yeah, not sure. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Really helps out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, give me some ideas for this trim, and I will see you in my next video.